Here are 10 fantastic part-time business ideas I wish someone told me earlier, and I want to share these with you today. Whether you're looking to pay off debt, save for a vacation, or you want to explore your entrepreneurial potential, these ideas are perfect for someone who wants to start small and gradually grow their venture. So let's dive in. The first business idea that you could start is offering freelance services. Are you a talented individual with a unique set of skills? Do you dream of being your own boss, working on your own terms, and leveraging your expertise to help clients across the globe? If so, freelancing is an incredible business opportunity waiting for you. Freelance services is a thriving industry where you can unleash your creativity, pursue your passions, and build a rewarding career doing what you love. As a freelancer, you have the power to offer specialized services to clients across the world. From creative design and writing to web development and marketing, the possibilities are limitless. Working remotely gives you the freedom to choose your own projects, set your own rates, and establish your own schedule. To succeed in this venture, you need to build a thriving reputation as you deliver exceptional results. Word-of-mouth referrals and amazing testimonials will become your currency, paving the way for a steady stream of clients seeking your expertise. In this day and age, technology has revolutionized the freelance industry, providing you with the tools to collaborate seamlessly with clients. From project management platforms to video conferencing and cloud storage solutions, you'll always be connected and in control. But it doesn't stop there. As a freelancer, you have an opportunity to establish valuable connections within your industry. Remember to harness the power of social media and online platforms to showcase your work and attract clients. Build your personal brand, share your expertise, and connect with a global network of professionals who can help elevate your freelance business. The amazing thing about this part-time business venture is that it offers the balance of freedom and fulfillment. Work from anywhere in the world, pursue your passions, and unlock unlimited earning potential. The second part-time business idea that you can start is online tutoring. Online tutoring is no longer just a side hustle. Many people are choosing it as their main career. Online tutoring gives you the platform to share your knowledge and expertise by teaching the subject matters that you're passionate about. Whether it's academic tutoring, music lessons, or language classes, this platform makes it easy for you to share your knowledge to students globally. You can offer one-on-one sessions or create pre-recorded video lessons for a wider audience. What you need is a laptop or a phone, an internet connection, knowledge and expertise to get started. To succeed in this, here are some platforms that you can utilize to achieve this. Are you knowledgeable in the English language and you are willing to share your knowledge? Here is the platform that you can utilize to succeed. The platform that you can utilize to succeed is called Cambly. On Cambly, you can teach anyone through one-on-one video lessons and can become a teacher for kids or adults by helping them with their homework or chatting with them casually. And the best part is you can choose your available hours to teach people from more than 100 countries. If you are an instructor, a coach, or an advisor, another platform that you can explore for online tutoring is called Tutoring. And if you're into math, history, science, literature, social science, or advanced courses like aerospace engineering, film and theater, the best platform for you to start your online tutoring is called Tutoring. With a little research, you can find the best platform for you. If you have a flair for creativity, then consider creating handcrafted products. This is the third part-time business idea that you can start, creating handcrafted products. If you're good at making handmade jewelry, personalized gifts, or unique home decor, there's a market for your products. Set up an online store on platforms like Etsy or create your own website to showcase your products. Leverage social media to reach a wider audience and engage with your customers. Quality products and appealing packaging can set you apart from your competition. Remember, you can turn your creativity into a part-time business which you can scale into a full-time venture. Introducing a lucrative and rewarding venture, pet sitting and walking. This is the fourth part-time business idea that you can explore. With the pet industry booming, there has never been a better time to turn your love for the furry friends into a thriving business. If you love animals, pet sitting and walking can be a fulfilling and profitable part-time business. Pet owners today have busy lives and often struggle to find time to give their pets the love, care, and attention they deserve. This is where you come in. They are always looking for and in need of reliable individuals who can take care of their furry friends where they are away. As a pet sitter or dog walker, you will step in as a trusted companion for these pets, providing daily exercise and personalized care tailored to their needs. Imagine having the flexibility to set your own schedule, work with a wide range of adorable animals, and having a positive impact in their lives while bringing peace of mind to their owners. This can be a rewarding part-time business venture for you. Pet owners highly value committed and dedicated pet sitters and dog walkers. Your attention to detail and the ability to create a safe and loving environment for their beloved pets will earn their trust and loyalty. Starting your own pet sitting and dog walking part-time business is easier than you think. With the right training, resources, and support, you can quickly establish yourself as a trusted and sought-after professional in this growing industry. Market your business online, build a network of satisfied customers, and watch your business flourish. The opportunities are endless, whether you choose to work part-time or you transition into a full-time career. So if you have genuine love for animals, an entrepreneurial spirit, and a desire to make a difference in their lives, seize this incredible business opportunity and become the go-to pet sitter and dog walker in your area. I'm pretty sure most of you are watching this video on either laptop or on a phone. You can leverage these devices to start the next part-time business idea. Are you someone with a passion for storytelling? Do you have a way with words and a desire to share your ideas and thoughts with the world? If so, starting a podcast or a blog could be the perfect business for you. Podcasting and blogging is a thriving industry where you can unleash your creativity, express your unique voice, and connect with audiences from every corner of the globe. As a podcaster, you have the power to create compelling content that educates, entertains, and inspires. Whether it is sharing your expertise, discussing thought-provoking topics, or telling captivating stories, the opportunities are endless. Build a loyal following as you connect with like-minded individuals who resonate with your message. Engage in meaningful conversation, spark debates, and create a community that values your insights and perspectives. With the advancement of technology, setting up your podcast or blog has never been easier. From recording equipment to editing software to intuitive blogging platforms, everything you need is at your fingertips. But it doesn't stop at creating content. As a podcaster or blogger, you have the opportunity to forge valuable partnerships and monetize your platform. Collaborate with brands, secure sponsorships, and explore the various revenue streams in this vast landscape. Use your platform to make a difference. Share stories that matter, raise awareness about important causes, and foster a positive change. Your voice has the power to inspire, educate, and empower others. Remember also, if you want to thrive beyond your dreams, immerse yourself in a vibrant community of creators and entrepreneurs. Attend conferences, join networking groups, and learn from professionals that have paved the way in the world of podcasting and blogging. Harness the power of social media to amplify your reach and connect with a wider audience. Embrace new platforms, trends, and digital strategies to ensure that your content is at the forefront of the industry. So if you're ready to share your passions, express your creativity, and build a thriving business centered around podcasting and blogging, seize this great opportunity and let your voice be heard. The sixth part-time business idea that you will start with low investment is virtual assistant services. Virtual assistant services are in high demand in today's digital age. The normalization of remote work continues to create opportunities to find part-time or contract work online. If you are interested in generating income through a side hustle, working as a virtual assistant has many benefits, including a flexible schedule that a side hustle must have. If you are organized, detail-oriented, and have excellent communication skills, then you should consider offering virtual assistant services. You can help busy professionals and entrepreneurs with tasks like email management, appointment scheduling, social media management, and content creation. Let me give you some examples of what you could do. If you are into social media, you could offer social media management services. You can be hired as a social media manager who can help create engaging content, manage various social media calendars, and improve their efforts through the use of analytics. To be successful in getting people to know you or your services, you should market your services on freelancing platforms, social media, or through networking within professional communities. The seventh part-time business idea that you could consider starting is property rentals. This is another very profitable business idea that you could consider starting with low investment. If you have an extra room, studio, or even vacation property, consider renting it out on platforms like Airbnb and Vrbo. It is a great way to earn passive income while utilizing existing resources. Ensure your listings are attractive, provide excellent customer service, and also remember to maintain a clean and welcoming space for positive reviews and repeat guests. The eighth part-time business idea that you could consider starting with low investment is events planning. Are you someone who thrives on creating unforgettable experiences? Are you the go-to person in your circle when it comes to planning events that leave everyone in awe? If so, starting an events planning part-time business can be a very rewarding venture. As an events planner, you'll have the power to turn vision into reality, working closely with clients to bring their ideas, inspirations, and dreams to life. You can help individuals and businesses to plan and execute memorable events like birthdays, weddings, and corporate gatherings. As an events planner, you have a great opportunity to create extraordinary experiences that leave lasting memories. Brimming with creativity and attention to detail, events planning offers endless possibilities. You will have the opportunity to craft personalized themes, curate stunning decor, coordinate vendors, and ensure flawless execution while capturing the unique essence of each client's vision. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing your client's face light up, stepping into this beautifully designed and meticulously executed event, surpassing the expectation and leaving them in awe. But it doesn't stop there. As an events planner, you will establish valuable connections within your industry, collaborating with talented vendors, scouting breathtaking venues, and building a network of trusted partners will become second nature, ensuring your events are always one step ahead. With the ever-evolving landscape of technology and social media, you can leverage these to showcase your portfolio, communicate with clients, and stay ahead of the latest trends. So if you're ready to unleash your creativity, ignite your passion for organization, and embark on a career that celebrates human connections and unforgettable moments, then events planning is the right choice for you. The ninth part-time business idea with low investment is food delivery and catering. With the rise of food delivery services and the growing demand for quality meals, part-time food delivery or catering can be a profitable venture. If you love cooking and have a signature dish, start by offering your culinary creations to your friends and family or as pop-up service at local events. Create a professional brand, maintain high levels of cleanliness and food safety, and deliver delicious meals to customers' doorsteps. Most of the big food chains started like this. John C. Maxwell once said, and I quote, "Small disciplines repeated with consistency every day lead to great achievements gained slowly over time." So what you need is consistency and dedication, and make sure to improve every day. The 10th part-time business idea that you could consider starting with low investment is personal fitness training. If you are passionate about fitness and enjoy helping others achieve their personal health goals, then consider becoming a part-time personal fitness trainer. Obtain relevant certifications, develop personalized training plans, and offer your services at local gyms, outdoor spaces, and even virtually. Remember, building trust and fostering a positive workout environment is crucial to clients' retention and word-of-mouth referrals. And there you have it, 10 part-time business ideas with low investment that you can start pursuing today. The key is to choose an idea that aligns with your skill set, passion, and available time. Remember, patience, dedication, and continuous learning are essential for success. We hope these ideas inspire you to embark on your entrepreneurial journey. If you found any value in this video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.